The fun retro design adds style and function to your modern kitchen and home. 9 preset menus satisfy your daily cooking needs: popcorn, beverage, vegetable, meat, pizza, potato, pasta, soup, reheat. The multi-stage cooking function enables you to finish defrosting and cooking at once. Express buttons to cook for/increase 30 seconds with full power. Equipped with mute function, eco mode, bright LED digital display, easy to operate control panel, interior light and removable glass turntable, clock and kitchen timer, child safety lock. COMFEE CM-M091AGN microwave oven retro eco mode, and sound on/off function, 0.9 cubic feet/900 watts, GreenComfee CM-M091AGN, Horno de microondas con modo retro y función de encendido/apagado de sonido, 0.9 cubic feet/900 watts, color verde. The product voltage range is 110 volts. Top reviews from the United States. Don't forget to remove the plastic wrap. I'd had the same beast of a microwave for over 10 years. I wanted something with a smaller footprint and that sort of blended in with its surroundings so it didn't really stand out. I have an old kitchen from the 40s that's shade of cream and tan and not at all modern and is dated, but I have no interest in doing a remodel since it functions perfectly well. This microwave blends into my dated kitchen but is also very nice looking. It's not the smallest microwave on the market, but I did gain a few extra inches of counter space. I noticed some reviews talking about burning and I wonder if those people realized their microwave was wrapped in shrink wrap. I had no idea it was on there because it was so tight and seamless and you don't notice it unless you look at the vent on the side. So make sure to peel it off before using. I bought mine from the used section on Amazon, but it was just one someone had bought and changed their mind on, so returned it without using it, but it saved me about $70. It heats food up hot. I didn't realize how slowly it took my old microwave to heat things up until I used this one. Far more effective. A great buy overall, happy with purchase.